Hello, and welcome to the Virtual Gardening Club. My name is Andrew Boisvenu, and I work for the City of Ottawa. The city operates 5 museums, including this one, Cumberland Heritage Village Museum. The museum is located just outside of Orleans in the village of Cumberland. Today we're going to be talking about pests, how to tell if they're in your garden, how they can damage your garden, and what to do to try and control them. Pests are living creatures that can prevent growth, cause damage, or even steal parts of your plants. Examples include insects, birds, and small rodents such as squirrels and chipmunks. But be careful, not everything that visits your garden is bad, and some of them can even be helpful. Your plant will tell you if there's an issue. Things to look for include, is the plant drying out despite watering? Is part of the leaf or plant missing or look like it's been chewed away? So, if something is wrong with your plant, be sure you know what it is before you act on it. There are many different insects that you might find in your garden. We're going to take a look at a few of them. Aphids are tiny green insects found on the stems and new growths. If there are a small number of aphids, carefully squish them between your finger and thumb. If there are more than a few, you have 2 options. The first option is to remove the infected part of the plant. Carefully break it off and throw it in the garbage. Do not throw it on the ground or in the garden box. Another option is to give your plants a quick, strong spray of water. The next insect we'll look at is the whitefly. This tiny insect will feed on the juices of the plant. It leaves a residue that can lead to mold. To rid your plant of whiteflies, spray them with water from a water bottle. The last of the insects we will look at is the flea beetle. These are bad pests as both the adults and larvae damage the plant. The adults will feed on leaves, leaving holes and missing parts. Larvae eat the roots. This results in an unhealthy looking plant because it is not getting the nutrients it needs. You need to remove the adult beetles from the plant when you see them. Then squish them once removed and throw them in the garbage. The larvae are hard to remove. Instead, take steps to prevent them. Make sure to remove any weeds after harvest and mix up the soil from below the weed roots. Not all insects are bad. Some can help get rid of the more pesty ones from your garden. Ladybugs are predators that can help remove or at least control aphids and whiteflies. Lacewings are another predator of harmful insects. Birds can be harmful to your plants, but they can also be helpful. Watch out for birds when plants are young. Crows are known to eat seeds and seedlings, and blue jays may eat small fruit such as berries and cherry tomatoes. Don't take action against birds in your garden unless they're damaging your plants. Birds will actually eat insects that will damage plants, and they can also help pollinate plants such as tomatoes. If you need to be rid of birds, try using moving items such as balloons, streamers, wind chimes, and spinners. Make sure the items move and change locations from time to time. They need animation. The last pests that we're going to speak about are squirrels and chipmunks. These guys will more likely be a problem once your plants are at the flowering or fruit stages. They can take flowers from the planting boxes themselves, or pluck tomatoes or other fruit right off the plant. This can happen any time of year, but they are especially active during harvest time and autumn. Do not leave extra snacks around. It will make your place a favorite stop. This includes seeds from other trees, such as acorns or maple seeds. Be sure to clean these up if they fall near your garden box. No bird feeders. These are essentially squirrel feeders. Do not leave your garbage in the same area, or at least make sure that the lid is tight and secured. Use cayenne pepper around your plants as they start to flower. Squirrels hate cayenne pepper and the smell should keep them away. The bad news, squirrels are very smart and will figure out a way to avoid or get around any trap or blockade you put in their way. The good news, squirrels are active during the day. You can sleep easy knowing that if you do not see them during the day, you are unlikely to have your plants attacked at night. I hope you enjoyed our video. Join us next time as we have another topic to tickle your green thumb. Until then, on behalf of the City of Ottawa, my name is Andrew Boisvenu. Bye for now.
Funding for this program comes from the City of Ottawa's Older Adult Program, adjudicated by the Seniors Roundtable. Details are available on the City of Ottawa website.